everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with the Aroma Institute. I am so glad that you have joined us to be a part of your journey in essential oils. And so I want to just briefly introduce you to the website, help you get started with signing in, and then we're going to be adding other videos in for you to help you along the way. Of course, there's lots and lots of videos already, but I wanted to just make sure that you're able to access your course, and I want to show you how. So let's take a look now. Okay, let's go ahead and type in aromahut.org to get to our home page of the website. And let's go ahead and log in. Let's click over there on the right hand side and type in your email address that you used to sign for the course, as well as your password. Now this is going to take you into your profile, of which opens up to My Membership. And here you can see all the courses that you're signed up for. Go ahead and click View, and this is going to take you right to the home page of the course. And so this one is our Level 1 certification course. Now here we see the modules that are in this course. So each one is here if you want to jump ahead and look at a different module. But this is so you have easy access to your course material. You'll see it all here below. We're going to list here all the lessons, activities, everything that's required for this particular course. So you can always reference this page and go back here if you want to verify and make sure that you've done everything you need to do. So at the top we have our worksheets and forms. Here is where you can download these PDFs for your assignments, your blending report forms, your supplies list, and so on. Next, we have a brief introduction to your research paper, and here you can read about that. Below that, we have the assignments that need to be emailed to your instructor. And so we're going to be looking for you to email the research paper, your case studies, your clinical practice intake notes, and your recipe report forms and photos of the products that you make. This all needs to be emailed to info@aromahut.org. Now below this we have the assignments to email your instructor. So we have it broken down by the modules here so you can see what assignments are required. Now module 1 and 2 don't have any assignments, but module 3 you do need to do some blending techniques and make some products and so on. So this is where you can always come back to check and make sure that you've done everything you need to do for that module. So here we can just go ahead and click that button and we can get in and start our course. So this is module 1, introduction. And so here we have a similar layout where we have our lessons in our module here. So if you do want to just jump right into your lessons, you can do it from here, or we can scroll down to the bottom and click next lesson. So this page will tell us what data sheets are going to be covered in this particular module. Again, we have the assignments listed. This is repeat information. We're just reminding you again of each module and what's expected for that. So here we go to our first lesson and we see what is aromatherapy. On the right hand side we see we have a video to watch, and if we scroll down we do have some reading material that we need to also read. On the left hand side we have each module broken down by the lesson. So here's another place you can go to if you want to just jump ahead to a particular lesson in your module. You can use these links to go there. Or you can just scroll down after you're finished with your lesson and use the button at the bottom that says next lesson. Now over here on the left hand side, again we see aroma descriptions. Now this is going to be for your reference to use when you're doing some assignments. We have also the essential oil terminology, which will help you in learning some of the terms we're using in describing essential oils. We also have the classification by note chart, so you can use this for your blending assignments, as well as a quick reference usage chart for blending. And then we also have our Amazon supply list That's just so you can go shopping and get some products there if you need to, and that's up to you. Now at the bottom we do have our course progress. Now this little green bar is going to fill in as you go through the course, and that'll help you see what you've accomplished. Along the bottom again we have some buttons for you for jumping to your data sheets, getting your blending forms downloaded, your supply checklist, and the required assignments. You can download all that information. Now in the next lesson, we have again another video to watch and the same format as the other lessons where we can do a reading assignment and so on. Now we can go back to My Profile. This is where all of your information is stored. Here you can make changes to your password if you need to. You can access your order history, or you can look at other details and information on your profile. So if you have any questions at all about this, please let me know. I will help you access your profile and get you started in your course. Okay, well, if you have any questions about using the website, getting into your course, or anything like that, please don't hesitate to email me at info@aromahut.org or info@aromahut.com. I look forward to getting to know you during the course, and I'll see you later.